Hi traders, welcome to Stock Share. Today we will discuss few stocks that may give good movement from important zones in the coming trading sessions. So let's start our analysis. First, we will discuss few stocks that's in my buying radar. The first stock in my buying radar is Zeal. It's a company belongs to Nifty Media. In the screen, you are seeing the daily chart of Zeal. In the chart, you can see that the stock was facing a resistance around the region of 360 multiple times. And after almost 72 trading session, stock is currently at an important hurdle zone. So in the coming trading session, if we are getting a breakout above the zone, then we can plan for a buying trade. And in the last few trading session, overall market was bleeding. This stock was not falling that much. Moreover, it was showing the strength. So at the breakout above this region, we can plan for a buying trade. And the second stock in my buying radar is Torrent Power. In the daily chart of Torrent Power, you can see that the stock was taking support from this trend line multiple times. Along with that, the stock was facing a resistance around the region of 550 multiple times. And after almost 50 trading sessions, the stock gave a breakout from that zone and currently trading above that. Hence, the coming trading session, if you can see further bullishness in the stock, you can plan for long trade in Torrent Power. Just like the Zeal, that in the last few trading session, overall market was bleeding, but this stock was resilient and showing more strength. So if the stock is continuous bullishness, then you can plan for a long trade in Torrent Power as well. So these are the two stocks that is my buying radar. Remember one thing, the overall market is in a profit booking mode and was falling in the last few days. So if you are planning for a buying trade in these stocks, always remember one thing, trail your SL accordingly so that you may not end up in loss. So these are the two stocks that's my buying radar. Now we will discuss the stock that is in my selling radar. The first stock in my selling radar is Dabur. It's a stock belongs to FMCG sector. In the daily chart of Dabur, the stock is at an important zone of 575-580. Why it is important? Because this area was acted as a support resistance previously, and you can clearly see that in the chart. And the stock traded above that region for almost 160 trading session and currently at that important hurdle zone. So in the coming trading session, if we are getting a breakdown above this below this region, then you can plan for short trade in Dabur positional basis as well as in intraday basis. Another stock that is in my selling radar is Whirlpool. In the weekly chart of Whirlpool, you can see that the stock was taking support around 2000 region multiple times, and it was trading above that 2000 region for almost 500 trading sessions or more than 500 trading sessions. And currently stock is at an important zone. So in the coming trading session, if you are getting a breakdown below this region of 2000, then we can plan for short trade in Whirlpool either in positional basis or in intraday basis. The last stock in my watch list is Delta Corp. In the daily chart of Delta Corp, you can clearly see that the stock was having a supply demand area over 255-260 region, and the stock was trading above that region for almost 60 trading session. Moreover, the stock formed a double top pattern around that region, and currently stock gave a breakdown below that. Hence, in the coming trading session, if the stock continues its bearishness, you can plan for short trade either in positional basis or in intraday basis. So these are the 5 stocks that we are tracking for the coming days. You can also add these stocks to your watch list and can track. I hope that this video is informative and delivered some value to you. If you find it valuable, then please like and share. And once again, thanks for watching and wishing you a happy trading week ahead.